guys, I just wanted to do a quick unboxing video. I just placed an order last week on Away Travel, and I ended up getting the same bag that Ali Abdal recommends on his channel because he's just one of my favorite people on YouTube, and I don't have any bags like this at all. I have a pretty cheap suitcase set and I have like purses. I don't have anything for weekend trips or anything for really like short little trips. I did tape this paper over my address, so I'm sorry that you can't see my address, but that's for my own safety. But anyways, I just wanted to unbox this really fast. I'm so excited. I've never seen this. I've never even seen any of their products in person. So here we go. It's gonna be super awkward to do this with one hand. These are my scissors I've had for like a billion years, so that's fun. Okay. Wow. Okay, let's see, what does this say? Now the world is open, you can go anywhere, see everything, go off the grid, out of your comfort zone, or back to your roots. We'll be with you every step of the way, so get out there and stay open. I love that! That is so cute. Oh, okay, there's like a little card here. Sorry, I'm doing everything one-handed. This is not natural, but whatever. Ooh, okay. Let's see what it says. Meet the Weekender, a modern take on a travel classic that's designed to go with you anywhere. So no matter if you drive, ride, or fly, it's easy to get away. Even if it's just for the weekend. Oh, I need to get away for the weekend. Ooh, cool. Okay, features. That'll be cool. Let's see. Come on, focus. Focus, camera. Sorry, this is a new camera, by the way, you guys. I absolutely love it so far. This is my first time filming on it, but... Okay, so hidden laptop pocket, key clip, interior zippered pocket, sleeve to secure to suitcase, cool. Durable leather base, love that. Interior slip pockets, top handles joined by a button clasp, detachable padded shoulder strap. Exterior zippered front pockets, exterior shoe compartment. Yes, to the shoe compartment. That's honestly like, Ollie pointed out the laptop and then the shoe compartment. I was like, sold. Oh my gosh, this is massive. I don't know if I can do this with one hand, honestly, you guys. I'm so sorry. This is gonna be the most awkward unboxing. I'm so sorry. Ooh, okay, kind of did that. This is so cool. Look at this. I love this. Okay, it's like tied up. Wow. I did use Ollie's code also because, you know, he's the best. So I got this for $20 off. Oh look, my cat. That's Sirius. Sirius Black, but she is a girl, so that confuses a lot of people. This is impossible to open with one hand. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna like try to set this down. This is not helpful. You can't see what I'm doing. Maybe if I prop it up on my phone at an angle. Is that better? Sorry, fam. I don't know what I'm doing. Wow. Ooh, yes. This is so exciting. Look at it. Okay, this bag is actually so nice for storing it. Look how big this is, you guys. This is humongous. Look at how big this is. I cannot believe the size of this. This is a massive, like, storage bag. That's amazing. And my cat is playing in the box. Of course she is. Wow. So, oh, this feels nice. Like, this feels... Oh, this is so great. I'm so excited. Okay, so really nice clasp for that handle. Undid that. Really nice big shoulder strappy. Looks like it's probably tightened all the way because that's like pretty short. There's no way that would go over my shoulder. Zipper feels good. Oh, hi paper. How are ya? Sorry, that's like my Jeffree Star plug. I love how he says that. Ooh, there's so much. Wow. I love 3 tons of paper. Hooray. That's my cat's food bowl. Isn't that nice? Wow, this is actually really big, though. It looks like it holds a lot of stuff. So there's a pocket there, and a pocket there, and... I think there's, yep, there's a zipper here. Sorry, camera, focus. There you go, buddy. Okay, so these are the hidden little zippers. So I think Ollie said this one's perfect for a Kindle. That's awesome. Ooh, we gotta pull this little zipper paper off. I can't get it with one hand, we'll do that later. And this one he said is great for an iPad. I have both of those, so Ollie, I hope that's true, because if not, I'll be so sad. Just kidding, I know it's true, he never lies. Okay, this is not a pocket, so this is like the strap that goes on your suitcase. Ma'am, what are you doing? She's like, what? Wow, I'm so excited about this, you guys. I've been wanting something like this for so long. Ooh, wait, hidden laptop pocket. Wow, that's actually kind of like subtle. Ooh. It's more padded on the outside for sure than the inside, but that's what matters. Wow, that's really nice though. Fun fact, I don't actually own a laptop right now. I just use my iPad and then I have an iMac, so that's fun. But wow, I'm so excited. And then, yeah, leather bottom. No feet, but that's fine. Wow, I'm so excited about this. Yay! Well, that was my unboxing. Serious. Say goodbye. Serious. I'm sorry, she's like the weirdest cat. Alright, sorry, that was kind of a weird video, but anyways, thank you for watching if you stuck around for this whole thing. I'm so excited to use this. Bye!